Hi, so in this video we are going to solve this particular equation. So x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. So whenever we see an equation with two different denominators, we can use a different method to solve this particular question in this case, right? So what we can do here is, just to make things more easier, okay, comparatively, we can first calculate the LCM of all the denominators, whatever we can see in the equation. So in this equation, entire equation, we can see that there is one denominator 3 and there is another denominator 15. So we will just calculate the LCM of 3 and 15 and we will multiply the LCM, whatever we get, throughout by each and every term of the equation. Okay, even if that term is not containing any denominator. So observe this, everyone. So 3 and 15, let's first calculate the LCM of this 3 and 15. Because you need to understand, if you don't know how do we calculate the LCM of two numbers. So 3 1s is 3 and 3 5s is 15. Now 1 I just carried forward. Now 5 is definitely divisible by 5 only, so 5 1s is 5. So we are done with this. Now if you just multiply, okay, if you just multiply 3 and 5, you get the answer as 15. So definitely we got the LCM as 15 in this case. So what are we going to do here is, we are going to multiply throughout. Okay, we are going to multiply throughout. I just write it over here, multiplying throughout by the LCM of the denominators, which you have got as 15. So multiplying throughout by 15. Now in examination, please do not write this shortcut multiplication sign which I have written over there. Okay, so you just write it in complete form. So let's solve this further. I just multiply each and every term by the number 15. So 15 multiplied by x upon 3. So x upon 3 is multiplied by 15. Next, you can see that there are two terms on the left hand side. X upon 3 I multiplied by 15. Now there is one more term which is 1. So I have multiplied that also by 15 is equal to. And on the right hand side also you can see one term. So 15 multiplied by 7 upon 15. So always remember, whenever we are getting rid of the denominators, okay, from an equation by multiplying throughout by the LCM, you have to make sure that you multiply that LCM by each and every term in the given equation. Okay, so let's solve this further now. So 3 1s is 3 and 3 5s is 15. 15 gets cancelled out. Okay, so 5 times of x, you get the answer as 5x plus, so 15 times 1 is 15, which is equal to 7. So let's see how we can solve this further. Okay, so 5x is equal to, now variable on one side and numbers on the other side as per the rule which we already know. So 7 minus 15. So 5x is equal to 7 minus 15. We get the answer as minus 8, right? So minus 8. So how do we solve this further? So x is equal to, now 5 is in multiplication form, I shifted to the other side, it goes in division form. So minus 8 upon 5. Now let's convert this in the form of mixed fraction. So 5 outside and 8 inside. 5 1s is 5 and we get the remainder as 3. And we always know that whenever we are writing the final answer in mixed fraction form, we always write it in the form of QRT. So minus and I just carry it forward. So quotient first, okay, quotient first, and R upon D, that is remainder upon divisor. So remainder is 3 and the divisor is 5. So we got the required answer.